cast on, we are using a chain cast on, so you need to create a slip knot, which to do so, you take your working yarn, here's the tail, you twist it, you pull the yarn up through, and then you've created a slip knot. So you take your slip knot, this is the working yarn, the yarn that is hooked to your ball. You run it behind your peg 1, you pull the yarn through that slip knot, tighten it up. Now this little tail I just put back there and forget about it. Now you've got a loop here and this yarn is hooked to your ball of yarn. Take your loop, both strands of it, behind the next peg. Take that working yarn, pull through that loop behind the next peg, pull through, and make sure you're getting both strands of this loop behind each peg. Now you're going to do this all the way around to peg 50. When you get on peg 50, what you do is you just put the loop on and tighten it up, and that is your cast on.